Smart helmets blend protection with connected features for safer, more informed riding. As urban commutes, e-bikes, and leisure riding converge, riders increasingly demand visibility, integrated cameras, audio features, and smart signaling without sacrificing comfort.
List number 1. Bike helmet. This Astron helmet centers on a smart LED display system that provides automatic left turn signals, brake indicators, and speed readouts. It emphasizes high visibility with 360-degree LED signaling and an ambient light adaptive display, complemented by 8 vents for cooling and an AST-core impact structure for protection. The helmet is adjustable via a dial fit system and supports personalized LED patterns via a mobile app, offering 100+ patterns and the ability to display text, logos, or animations. It ships with a remote control for mode switching and is designed for both urban and mountain environments, meeting typical safety expectations with PC shell and EPS foam. Weight is about 12.8 ounces, 362 grams. In practice, the LED system delivers noticeable daytime and nighttime visibility, with auto brightness adjustments to adapt to tunnels or dusk conditions. The 100+ pattern customization is a standout, enabling group rides and events, but it can add setup friction for new users who want a quick plug-and-play experience. The absence of explicit battery life figures in the listing means real-world endurance will depend on LED brightness and whether modes are left on. The design does include a smart timer to toggle lights based on ride schedules. Comfort is aided by 8 vents in removable pads, though the weight is non-trivial for ultralight-focused riders.
List number 2. Bike helmet with Bluetooth. The ASI VEIE LS01-1 helmet integrates Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity, built-in speakers, and an auto brake flash alert system. It emphasizes safety signaling with brake indicators and front-rear LEDs, and includes a remote for turn signals. It touts a 1000 mAh battery with up to 120 days of standby, up to 4 to 18 hours of music playback, and 80 lumen headlighting. The helmet is lightweight at approximately 365 grams, size S, with 19 ventilation holes and EN 1078, ROSH, CPC, and FCC certifications. Real-world use highlights include solid battery life for mixed-scenario riders who want music and signals without frequent charges. The 42-decibel microphone enables clearer communication, though the notes acknowledge that intercom is not supported. Bluetooth 5.3 keeps pairing stable, and the relatively open feature set balances safety signaling with multimedia convenience. However, users should be aware of potential trade-offs: battery drain when lights and music run concurrently, and the potential for Bluetooth to be disrupted by app activity or firmware updates.
List number 3. KRS S1 Bite Helmets for Men, Smart Helmets for Adults with 1080p 60 FPS Sports. KRACESS KRS S1 positions itself as a sports camera integrated smart helmet. A front 1080p/60 FPS camera captures riding footage supported by a dual antenna Bluetooth audio system. It includes a wireless remote for headlight signaling and turn indicators, plus IPX5 level water resistance. The shell is PC with EPS for impact protection, and the package includes a 64GB TF card, up to 128GB supported. The helmet comes in a large size, L, 22 to 24.4 inches, and weighs about 2.3 pounds. On-the-road performance emphasizes the dual-use approach, safety signaling and video capture. The 1080p front cam records actions for review or social sharing, and the safety light remote supports lane signaling. Night visibility is improved by the high beam functionality. However, reliability hinges on the camera performance and the stability of the Bluetooth connection, which KRSA-CESS notes as improved in this model year. The relatively heavier weight and older model year 2022 may affect day-long comfort for some.
List number 4. DC2 Smart Bluetooth Helmet with Cameras Front.
A Kuzo DC2 is positioned as a premium smart helmet with dual sport cameras, offering 2K front and 1080p rear recording. It emphasizes automatic recording upon power on, a dedicated app for editing and sharing, and IPS5 water resistance with up to a 4-hour recording battery life. The helmet targets riders who want hands-free documentation of rides and a seamless ecosystem for video management via the Smart Helmet Pro app. In use, the DC2 delivers robust video capture and convenient app-based workflow, including quick editing and sharing. The dual camera setup supports recording incidents or capturing scenic routes, while the built-in Bluetooth enables calls and navigation. The 2K front camera can be appealing for enthusiasts who want higher resolution footage, though the 4-hour battery life under recording stress may require scheduled charging on longer excursions. The warranty is solid with a 2-year coverage. List number 5. Favoto Smart Bike Helmet with Light. Dual Shell CPSC Certified e-bike helmet with Favoto offers a budget-friendly dual-shell helmet with integrated LED turn signals, magnetic buckle, and taillights with 5 modes and up to 5 hours runtime. Certified to CPSC and CE, it targets city riders and e-bike commuters seeking value-first safety signaling without top-tier features. It keeps the fit simple with a large size range, 22 to 24 inches, and dual-shell construction to balance impact protection with airflow. In practice, the magnetic buckle and remote turn signals simplify quick mounting and signaling during urban rides. The 5 light modes provide flexibility for day and night visibility, and the lightweight fit supports longer city commutes. The main trade-offs are the absence of camera or audio capabilities and relatively modest runtime if signals are used heavily. For users prioritizing affordability and essential signaling, Favoto stands as a practical option.